sounds of trash. Essential question. How do you express yourself? Chapter 1. Express yourself. Do you like to draw or paint? Maybe you like to act in plays. Do you like to dance? Perhaps you like to write stories. There are different ways to share your thoughts and feelings. Some people like to sing. Other people like to play instruments. These are all ways to share your thoughts and feelings. You can use music to express yourself. You can use trash to make things. What does a water bottle have to do with sharing your feelings? How can it be used to express yourself? In other words, show how you feel. En español, expresarte. You can recycle your water bottles. You can use them to make instruments. You can use a bottle of water to make music. Stop and check. What are some different ways to express yourself? Chapter 2. Make a guitar. Here's how to make a guitar. You will need a cardboard box and colored paper, pencils, scissors, and tape, several rubber bands, different lengths and thicknesses, a paper towel tube. Directions. Number 1. Cut a hole on the top of your box. It should be an oval shape. Have an adult help you. 2. Decorate the box with colored paper if you like. 3. Stretch 4 to 6 rubber bands around the box. They go over the hole. Place a pencil under the rubber bands. 5. Trace the end of the tube on one end of your box. Have an adult help you cut out the circle. Slide the tube into the box. Tape it in place. How does your guitar make music? Pluck the rubber bands. They will move back and forth, or vibrate. They will make sounds. Try using thick rubber bands. Then use thin bands. How does the sound change? This box guitar uses rubber bands that move back and forth. Stop and check. How do you get your box guitar to make sound? Chapter 3. Make a trombone. Let's make a trombone. You will need 2 cardboard tubes, including one that can fit tightly inside the other, paper, and masking tape. Directions. Number 1. Fold the paper around one end of the larger tube. 2. Tape it to form a cone. 3. Put one end of the small tube inside the large tube. Wrap the tape around the end of the small tube for a tight fit. How does your trombone make music? Press your lips inside the opening of the small tube. Make a buzzing sound. Slide the small tube back and forth. Try using longer or shorter tubes. Try different movements. Slide the tube slower or faster. How does the sound change? The buzzing of your lips causes vibrations. Language detective. Let's is a contraction. Find another contraction on page 6. That's right, the contraction should have been here's. That's in the sentence, here's how to make a guitar. Here is, here's. Stop and check. How do you get your trombone to make sound? Chapter 4. Make maracas and drums. Now, let's make maracas. You will need 2 small plastic bottles with tops, 2 craft sticks, glue and scissors, beans, seeds, and rice. Directions. 1. Ask an adult to make 2 narrow holes in the bottom of each bottle. 2. Put glue in each hole. Place the craft sticks into the holes. Let the glue dry. 3. Fill each bottle with beans, seeds, or rice. Place the caps on tightly. In other words, thin. En español, angosto. How do your maracas make sound? Shake the maracas. The beans will vibrate. They will hit the inside of the bottle. Use more or fewer beans. Shake the maracas slowly, then quickly. How does the sound change? Find out how many children in Mrs. Jones' class use beans and seeds in their maracas. Now let's make drums. You will need 2 coffee cans with plastic lids, a pair of chopsticks or 2 pencils with erasers, 2 large rubber bands. Directions. 1. Make sure your cans are clean. Have an adult check for sharp edges. 2. Join the cans with the rubber bands. 3. Hit the cans with the chopsticks or pencils. Hit the plastic side of each can. Hit the metal side. Place the drum on a rug, a sweatshirt, or a wood floor. How does the sound change? The top moves back and forth when you hit it. Language detective. The commas in the sentence above separate items in a series. Find other commas that separate items in a series on page 10. That's right, under you will need beans, seeds, and rice is a series, and there are commas between them. Also, in the directions, number 3, fill each bottle with beans, seeds, or rice. Again, commas in a series. You can make many instruments to play. Find other kids who have made instruments. Put on a concert. You will be cheered on by all who listen. Dance to the rhythm. Express yourself. Stop and check. What causes maracas and drums to vibrate?